welcome you to this training today. In today's training, I'll be showing you how you can enroll in my free Revit course. Just tap on that button and it will take you to this place, this particular link, courses.linker.ng. Here you are supposed to log in, but if you have not yet created your account, if you have not yet registered, just come down to this place and click register. You are going to enter your username. Just enter a username that you can always remember. Then you enter your password here, your email address here. Then enter your password, your first name, your last name, and make sure you remember the password you are using so that you can always have access to your account. Okay, so once you have filled all this, and make sure your password is strong enough, at least minimum of 8 characters. It should contain numbers, it should contain letters, it should contain special character. Mix them up like that. 8 characters will be fine. Once you are done, you hit register. This is my paid Revit course, and this is my free Revit course. So if you want to enroll in this free Revit course, tap on it, click on take this course. You are already enrolled, so simply tap on this to start watching the video. This is the first training. You click on it and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. When you are done with this, you move to this second one and watch this second one. I will be adding more video from time to time, so ensure you check back later. Okay, so that is how you can enroll in this free training. And if you want to enroll in my paid Revit course, the link will be here. Let me show you how you enroll in my paid Revit course. You click on courses. This is my paid Revit tutorial masterclass. Click on it, and here you are going to click take this course. It will take you to where you can make payments. Just tap on this button here and it will take you to where you can make payments and be enrolled. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.